hopping on a bike soon as I'm waking up. Big FMF exhaust, that'll wake your neighbors up. If you new to bike life, well yeah, I dare you. Try and clutch this new thing up and first and it'll scare you. We'll be coming down the block, yeah, they be too high. I wheelie down 4 blocks, now I'm getting too nice. Shifting through the gears, yeah, it feel brand new. All I do is wheelie, so my front tire brand new. Hey, welcome back to the Only 50cc show, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in to the videos, cause I ain't no motherfucking YouTuber. But hey, F all that, we at the lot. You already know I'm at the lot. This is where I live at now. Hey, besides that, I'm about to just do some first gear work for real. I ain't talking no more. Hey, hop on a bike on a wheelie, hit the throw and go. Might wheelie through the city, something you already know. Put the bike on 12, drop back, just coast. Sit back, just watch, 50cc show. Right now, we on though? You wanna get in the middle?
You had to get off?
Just leaving the lot, man. And yeah, it was cool. It was cool. I just, hey, all right. And when I'm practicing my wheelies, if I don't go to the lot and let me take this mask down. If I don't go to the lot and scare myself, then I'm not really gonna be progressing that much. You know what I mean? Not like that, but when I just be like, you know, when you get that little like woo, you know, that feeling, that's a good feeling inside my progression. I feel like that's me like, oh, getting more comfortable, you know, getting more comfortable. So that's a good feeling. Like if I go to the lot and go home, I'll be like, yeah, I worked on my, you know, my rear brake, but I was playing it safe, you know what I'm saying? But when I get them little woo factors, I like that, because it's like I feel like I'm getting more comfortable every time I do that. That's gonna unlock, you know, some more XP points. You know what I'm saying? So it's like training, you know what I mean? And I'm just training, and yeah, I just love this, man. Hey, y'all could just stay tuned. Y'all can subscribe to the channel, because I promise you that these videos is never gonna stop. I'm just being honest with y'all. These videos ain't never gonna stop, for real. You know what I mean? Hey, look at my gloves. It's like putting in work. You know what I mean? But yeah, stay tuned, man. This is crazy. It's a nice hot day, man. Hot. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, if you made it this far, man, I appreciate y'all, cause you already know I ain't no motherfucking YouTuber. So I appreciate you if you still watching the video all the way right now. You might as well just leave it a thumbs up for me, for real. I'm really trying to, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to do. Just trying to work. Oh, it feels so good leaving the lot, and then the air just going through the hoodie. You know what I mean? That feels so good. Sheesh. Oh yeah. We had got a different storage unit too. I'm gonna show y'all that. As soon as we touch down at the storage unit. We got a new one, for real. I guess we're gonna be getting new bikes. I'm speaking it into existence. We gonna get new bikes. We gonna be getting new bikes. I don't care what nobody say. We getting new bikes. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna see y'all at the locker. Alright, so this is the new locker. As you can see, we got way more space. I'm about to throw the bikes in there so y'all really can see how much space we really got now. Alright, so the bikes are right here. I'm right here. BB right there. You see how much more space we got? New videos on the way. That's all I gotta say.